Blessed day to all of us. Let's glorify God today. Dear brothers and sisters, have you ever felt so helpless? Helpless as if your hands are being tied up and nothing seems to be moving. Sometimes we look at helplessness as if we are sitting in a hospital chair and while listening to a doctor's diagnosis that we cannot do anything about it. Or sometimes we look at it as if we are staring in our own bank account, knowing that the bills that are coming in are more than what we have. You see, helplessness, it drains us. It takes our strength away from us. And this is how we feel when we are so helpless. We get irritated. We get out of control. We are being controlled by our own helplessness. But you see, in the middle of our helplessness, being so helpless, there is also one thing that we believe. We believe that there is hope. I want you to listen to this story. There was this man who planted a mango tree. For many years he cared, he watered the tree, knowing that the tree will bear fruit. But for many years he did that. The tree has not given anything. So the man thought, maybe this tree will never bear fruit. But on his other thought, he also said, maybe next year. And that was the hope that he has given to himself. So he continued, cared and watered the tree. And after a year, the tree bears sweet fruits and there's an abundance of it. You see, life is like this. We may not see the fruits right now. But what God reminds us, that God is still working for us. I want you to remember that the happiness does not come from what we see. It also comes from what we believe. So, dear brothers and sisters, if helplessness and the hope comes in you at the same time, never let helplessness wins. Instead, carry that hope and let that joy live in your heart. Believe that our God is faithful. I want you to remember what God promises us in Romans 15:13. And let me read this to you. He said, may the God of hope fill you with all the joy and peace as you have trusted in Him, so that you may overflow with hope by the power of the Holy Spirit. That's a nice promise. I hope this gives us encouragement, and thank you all for listening. To God be the glory.